Good morning and welcome from a sunny, windy Lymington. Here we have Ocean One. She is a 2007 Finngulf 41 with a beautiful Corinthia blue all-gripped topsides which were repainted in April 2017. Nice pink lettering there. As you can see, the backstay tension is actually away for servicing at the moment. Got Jeffers steering on her. The steering pedestal was also painted April 2017 and the steering was also serviced then as well. We've got Raymarine instruments. We've got an E80 chart plotter at the helm there along with the autopilot. And she's got the luxury of having 2-speed electric winches for the Genoa there. She's also got the luxury of an electric Genoa furling. And then above the companionway, we've got 4 Raymarine ST60s for wind, depth and speed. And then she's also got a 2-speed electric halyard winch. Now we've got the main sheet track that runs across the cockpit. Runs right the way across for good sheeting angles. And we come out onto the deck. Her standing rigging was also all replaced in April 2017. She's had lots of recent upgrades. Normally she'd be sporting a matching navy blue stack pack, which is currently off the boat at the moment. Her sails, she has got a set of North sails from 2007. She's got a fully battened main and a 140% Genoa. She's also got a slightly smaller 105% Genoa, which was made by Crusader in 2013. See, we've got a Lofren's electric windlass, which was actually also rebuilt in 2016. And there you can see the electric furler just sunk below the deck. She's also got a nice 20 kilogram Rakhna anchor. You can just see her cockpit tent, which is certainly a nice luxury. Fantastic space, especially when it's pouring with rain. It really allows you to get the most out of the boat. Wind generator, which offers great trickle charge to the batteries. She also has a removable solar panel, which was new 2016 and has a great little storage slot in the heads compartment down below. And as we move down below, you can see what a great large saloon she's got. The galley's just offset here to starboard. So double stainless steel sinks. Nice big 145 litre fridge there. Microwave for the necessary popcorn or pot noodles. And then gas hob with oven and grill. And looking forward, you see the television there, which has got some daytime television by the looks on at the moment, but that also links up to the chart plotter. You can show where you're going up on the screen there, which is a great idea by the owner. Looking back aft, you can see the aft-facing chart table there, which uses the saloon seating. And at the chart table we've got Navtex, we've got the control for the Erbisbacher heating, which was all fully serviced at the end of 2016. We've got an autopilot remote control, Raymarine VHF and an Echo Max radar reflector. And what lurks under the stairs? There's all the battery isolators there. And then down below, we've got a nice little peek into the engine bay. She's got a 55 horsepower Volvo Penta, which has been serviced yearly. The sail drive diaphragm was replaced in April 2017, and the engine's got just over 900 hours on it. We'll pop back into the starboard aft cabin. You see she's got a big hanging locker there. There's also storage just under those shelves there for the great cockpit tent in both aft cabins, which is a fantastic idea. Then we'll come over into the port aft cabin again, nice big hanging locker. Both these cabins have got great headroom. And into the heads. So we have an extendable tap, so the heads compartment can be used as a shower. Got a manual saltwater Jabsco heads, and very importantly a nice big hanging locker space there for all your wet weather gear when it's pouring down with rain. And looking forward into the forepeak, again full standing headroom. We've got hanging locker to starboard, and we've also got another hanging locking to port, so she's certainly not short of storage on board. Really nice, light, bright, airy saloon. So there you have 2007 Finngulf 41. She's currently ashore here in Lymington, available to view 7 days a week.